Let's create an action figure. Use the ball and socket mold from the stem kit to create your joints. Use the stencil to doodle the parts needed for the legs and arms. At the end of each arm and leg piece, add one side of the joint. Doodle hands and feet. Then attach them to the arms and legs. Use the stencil to create the torso. Sandwich the joints in between the two parts of the torso and close up any openings. With the torso complete, attach the limbs and head. And now decorate as you please.